I have spent years hunting down the best places to live in Texas, making video after video, city after city, and let me tell you, Southlake is one of the absolute best places to live in Texas. Why? Because of the intentional development, the cleanliness, the location, of course, and the culture. And it's one of the most exclusive cities, well, because there is a cost associated with all the benefits. So the median home price in Southlake is $1.4 million, with homes averaging about the $1 to $5 million mark. Now, on occasion, you might find a home hit the market at $500,000, and on occasion, $24 million. Now, new construction homes start at about $3 million. Southlake has entertainment, fine dining, shopping, literally the #1 ranked public schools in Texas for test scores, and it's located just 10 minutes from the DFW International Airport for easy travel. Listen, finding the right community and home is the key to your highest quality of life, and I'm here to help you discover if Southlake, Texas is the right place for you. If you want to buy or sell a home in Southlake, Texas, feel free to call, email, or fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below. Also, check out southlakedream.com for more information and resources, and to sign up for off-market listings.